and gentlemen, we can now witness 6 contingents of the cadets of SSI as they march out from behind the fort through the Kangla Dwar. Marching out smartly with long strides are the markers of the contingent. Netaji House marker is Cadet Ramananda, admission number 4199. Raman House marker is Cadet Paikhomba, admission number 4231. Cadet Tanits, admission number 4184, stands as the Sipaji House marker. Cadet Aryan, admission number 4216, is the cadet marker for Tagore House contingent. Marker for Class 12 contingent 1 is Cadet Patrick, admission number 4106. Cadet Ratan, admission number 4164, is the marker for Class 12 contingent 2.
Now marching in is School Cadet Captain Sinam Alex, Adam number 4123, to receive a report from the School Cadet Adjutant Cadet R.B. Solavai.
We are pleased to welcome NCT 14 Battalion 20 cadets with 2 teachers, Subedar J. Tundermo and Havildar Darpan Mahanta. We are honored to have NCT cadets
Sun School for those who don't get it. Pride! Hazard! Nissan Talay! Nissan! Pride! But
Satan! Nissan Raksan! Bunker Sat! Nissan Tolay! Samne se! Dechal!
May I appeal everyone to rise while the Nishan Toli moves into its position. Those in uniform may offer appropriate response of respect to the Nishan.
Ladies and gentlemen, we take the privilege of enlightening everyone in this gathering the significance of Nissan. Nissan is the school flag and is brought to the field during the ceremony. Nissan represents and symbolizes the aspirations, hopes, and aims of the school. Also, it embodies the dreams of the cadets and expectations of the parents and society as a whole. It carries the motto of the school, Gyan Meva Shakti. It is our bounden responsibility to maintain the sanctity of Nissan.
The coveted Nishan is carried proudly by Cadet Dhanaraj Yumna, ably escorted by Cadet Kartikeya and Cadet Priyanus Chobe.
Mr. Donald! Mr. Donald! Mr. Ford!
Right! Macho! Sas! Right! Passion!
At present, Sainik School Imphal admits children from Manipur, Tripura and from the rest of the country under reserved seats of Central Pool. Sainik School Imphal is known for football, having represented Sainik School Society in various editions of Subroto Mukherjee International Tournament in both junior and sub-junior categories over the past decades. Sainik School Imphal won the most coveted Defence Minister's Trophy in the year 2011 for sending highest number of cadets to the National Defence Academy. This year, 5 of our cadets joined the June batch of NDA and 5 more will join the January 26 batch. Also this year, 14 cadets of Sainik School Imphal have qualified the UPSC examination for entry into NDA and Naval Academy. 7 of them are present in today's passing out parade as they are pursuing class 12 in the school now.
The school enjoys the strong support of the ADAM staff and general employees who are the backbone of this residential school.
In the first year, 5 Sainik schools were established. Since then, several more were added, bringing their total to 33 as on date. The schools are located in different states of the country. Of late, Sainik schools in PPP model are being established throughout the nook and corner of the country and have reached a figure of 44.
It is the 17th Sainik school in the chronology of Sainik schools of the country and second school in the Northeast region, the first being Sainik School Golpara, Assam. Sainik School Imphal was shifted to the present location at Imphal Pukhao Road at its 268 acres sprawling campus in the year 1974.
It is an honor to welcome dear parents of our cadets, invitees, students from other schools, ladies and gentlemen, on this beautiful day, on the occasion of this mega event of POP, which is held with a traditional military bias. I also request everyone to keep their mobile phones in silent mode to witness and enjoy the ensuing sequence of events unfolding shortly.
Squadron Leader Sachin Kumar Chauhan, Adam Officer of Sainik School Imphal, hails from Bishnor, Uttar Pradesh, being commissioned into the Accounts Branch of Indian Air Force during his posting at Delhi in 2016.
Salami Tegol! Salami Sas!
In December 2005, the officer was attached to the infantry in the Uri sector at line of control. The officer has also completed B.Ed from Bombay Teachers Training College and PG Diploma in Defence Management from Uttarakhand. He has undergone psychological counselor course at DIPR, DRDO. The officer has been an instructor at the prestigious Indian Military Academy and education officer at various stations.
Right! Shot done! Salami Tego! Salami Just! Right! Battle! Just!
A Kargil War veteran, he has served on active duty with his unit at Dras during the war. He joined AKEC in 2004.
Right! Salami Tego! Right! Battle! Sus!
Five JNK rifles in June 1992. In his military career of 31 years, he has held various command staff.
Right! General Salute! Salami! Sus! Right! Battle! Sus!
Ladies and gentlemen, the reviewing officer now proceeds to review the parade. The ceremonial review affords a glimpse to the reviewing officer of the readiness of the parade. Ladies and gentlemen, as the vehicle moves along the parade ground, the reviewing officer reviews the immaculate turnout, daring and discipline displayed by the cadets. In a moment, the marching contingents will present a ceremonial salute to the reviewing officer as they smartly march past the saluting dais.
Dynamite! More!
Attention, Dolly! Turning! Go!
Attention!
The contingents advance with synchronized precision and indomitable spirit. Their crisp movements embody discipline, courage, and the ethos of this esteemed institution. May I now request the reviewing officer to receive a salute of the contingents. Sir, please. Netaji contingent is led by Cadet Timbaisam Arvind Kuman, Adam number 4124. House administration of Netaji is done by Mr. K.H. Robindra, PGT Chemistry, K.H. Premananda, DGT Maths, Dr. M. Raju, Hostel Superintendent. Netajians are known for excellence in academics. Raman contingent is led by Cadet Tomthin Ngamba Moirangkem 4121. Raman House is under the able administration of Mr. Manoranjan Roy, DGT General Science, Mr. M. Ravi, DGT Maths, Mr. S. Ratan, Hostel Warden. Winner of the Cup House Trophy in the previous year, Raman House is known for excellence in sports and co-curricular activities. The first contingent of the passing out cadets is commanded by Cadet Rohan. The second contingent of the passing out cadets is commanded by Cadet Ningthaujom Lanthoi, 4152, School Sports Captain. Shivaji House contingent is led by Cadet Abdul Rauf 4161. The house is administered by Mr. Y. Somen, TGT General Science, and Mr. P. Rajeshwar, TGT English, and Dr. M. Raju as Hostel Superintendent. Shivaji House has produced many athletes. Tagore House contingent is led by Cadet Lamchenba Huidrom, TGT Hindi, Mr. M. Jiten, TGT Manipuri, and Mr. Sabuddin as Hostel Warden. Tagoreans are known for discipline, extracurricular activities. The school band, Cadet Band Master is Putsiba Nongtongbang 4349. Second in command is Cadet Hemras Waikong 4335. Cadet Sar Jaban Gulbas Ali 4360. Cadet DC Vishal, Cadet Khetri Mayung Athoiba Singh. Symbol is with Cadet Harry Iro, Cadet Nongtongbang Nelson Singh. On the side drum, and Cadet Khetri Mayung Korengman. Main drum is under by Cadet Yankopong Korengmamba, Cadet Irumbang Malem Mamba, Cadet Muhammad Junaid Ahmad, Cadet Gufran Ahmad Abdullah Makasayum. Sounding the heartbeats of the cadets is a school band. We are delighted to thank Rifleman and Suresh, the bugler from MPTC, who has contributed greatly to the training of our band.
Bayern Mut! Pride! Korean Jal! Pride! Deck! Samnai Deck! Pride! समक्षा करम में मध्य से देश
The reviewing officer will present awards to cadets who have excelled in academics, sports, and in overall performance. These honors celebrate excellence and inspire others to strive for greater heights. We congratulate all award-winning cadets for their outstanding achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, the coveted awards given out on this special occasion are Chairman LVA Gold Medal and a cash prize of Rs 5,000 for overall cadet of best cadet of passing out batch goes to Cadet Adjutant R.V. Soliabai, admission number goes to School Captain Cadet Sinam Alex, admission number 4123. Silver medal and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 for best cadet in sports, sponsored by OBA of Sunny School Impal, goes to School Sports Captain Cadet Ningthausam Lantoy, admission number 4152. Compilation is in process. May I request the reviewing officer to felicitate the winners.
Prapak top. Prapak General Salute. Salame Just. Prapak Skapad Just.
To come up, please. R.V. Soliabai, admission number 4135. Silver medal and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 for best cadet in academics, sponsored by Parents Association, is given to School Captain Cadet Sinam Alex, admission number 4123. Silver medal and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 for best cadets in sports, sponsored by All Boys Association of Sunny School Impal, is given to School Sports Captain Cadet Ningthausam Lantoy, admission number 4152. Inter-House Senior Drill Competition 2025-26 Championship Trophy is given to Tagore House. I request the Housemaster and associated staff to join in lifting the trophy.
Major General Samir Sharan Kartikeya, Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding Red Shield Division, and Chairman LBA Sainik School Imphal to kindly address the gathering and bless the passing out cadets.
Prapak General Salute. Salame Just. Prapak Bajov Just. Prapak Mitchell Lutikop Mitchell Mut. Samne se Dösök.
My dear cadets of Sunny School Imphal, Principal Colonel A. Rajiv, the administrative staff, faculty members, parents, alumni, veterans, Brigadier Eli Singh, and all other veterans who also happen to be the alumni of this great institution, and everybody here at this parade ground. Jai Hind, Khurram Jari, and a very good morning. It had indeed been a delightful experience for me to have been invited as the reviewing officer of today's passing out parade, which acts as a formal culmination of your all-round training in this great alma mater of yours. I must compliment the principal and all the staff to have organized this function in this manner, and especially Colonel Rajiv of starting this great tradition in this school of having a passing out parade. The parade has been really impressive, and my compliments to all those who have been involved in making this parade a success. This year, 7 of your colleagues or your fellow cadets were commissioned as young officer into Army, Navy and Air Force. I was fortunate enough to interact with them, and Indian Army also felicitated them. Majority of the cadets passing out, I am told, are from this beautiful state of Manipur. It is our principal duty to do our best to bring glory to the state. You can do that by doing well for yourselves. For the passing out batch, I have just a couple of things to say. Finally, I wish to compliment principal, faculty, staff and all the cadets, alumni, parents for such a well-conducted passing out parade. And as always, my best wishes are always with the school. Thank you. Dhagachari. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and motivating address. With the kind presence of Srimati Priya Kartikeya, Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization, Red Seal Division, who is also gracing this momentous occasion of passing out parade of Sunday School Impal.
Pride! Tinno tinme! Daini bayad! Mul! Pride! Patung sas!
Congratulations to all the passing out cadets and wish them success. We thank parents and invitees, ladies and gentlemen, for making the POP a success.
Pride! Daini bayasik! Dirajan!
Cadet Kartik Singh Thakur, Cadet Malenganba Moirangkhen. Cadet Yumna Milan Maitai, Cadet Mimuzam Vicky, Cadet Hangzam Dennis, Cadet Amol Albert, Cadet Khoirom Robin Hood Maitai, Cadet Vishal Huidro, Cadet Langam Longjam, Cadet Ningthaujam Sital, Cadet Laichombam Pakim Chandra, Cadet Laikomba Thongpra, Cadet Ratan Bharti, Cadet Khwairakpam Patrick, Cadet Bimar Khwairakpam, Cadet Vinay Vista, Cadet Tekcham Lamjing Purel, Cadet Rangkhem Endeavor, Cadet Tapabrata Nath, Cadet Thon Wahengbam, Cadet Atopam Lucis, Cadet Himuzam Raj Singh, from Army, Cadet R.B. Solabai, and Cadet Sinam Alex.
Ladies and gentlemen, reluctant to leave the school and continue their march with a sense of accomplishment and desire to come back to their alma mater as young, successful and worthy citizens. Respected parents, SSI hands over to you a well-informed and all-rounded young adult. Thank you, parents. for entrusting the responsibility of safe custody and molding your children to us. A year later, these cadets will exercise franchise in our democratic country. Sainik School Impal eagerly awaits good news about their achievements in various walks of life. Ladies and gentlemen, it is pertinent to mention here that the cadets band of Sainik School Impal has earned laurels by participating in the various Republic Day parade and Independence Day parade in the state level, and they have
One, two. Okay. It is foolish to have a post. Only men. You won't be part of it? Study well. Come. Bye-bye.